Greetings, and welcome back to this channel where every day we have a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So if you want more people to hear God talking to them in the Jamaican language, then please do us the favor of clicking the like button, leave a comment in the comment section, and share this video with as many people as you can. We're doing a series, by the way, on the teachings of Jesus. Very exciting. Now, if you haven't done it yet, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time a new reading is uploaded. And that would be 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
So today I'm going to read from the Good News About Jesus as gone to Luke chapter 11, verse 27 and 28. It say, same time Jesus attack, one woman in a crowd bawl out, the woman will bring you in the world and will take care of you. Really bless. Jesus answer and say, the people them will hear God's word and do what it say. And them really bless. A God word this our God say. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.